Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I just want to take a few moments to welcome all our brand new friends. Welcome, 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 and I'm so pleased that you decided to become a part of the Felicia by the Seasons family. And of course, I can't forget all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your love, your support, and your wonderful comments that keep me motivated and challenge me to bring you solid, creative, and inspiring content each time that I publish a new video. Thank you so much to all of you, and I hope that you all will enjoy your stay here.
We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
In today's video, I am going to be continuing my spring decorating series. And in this video, we're going to be traveling in my kitchen and we're going to begin spring decorating. I'm going to be refreshing and updating some areas in there, and I'm going to take you all along with me. Today, I am going to be creating a vignette for my refrigerator top, and I'm also going to be addressing the door that leads out to our laundry room by doing some window treatments, as well as placing a new sign above the frame of the door. And as you can see right here, I am working on one of the items that I'm going to be using on my refrigerator later on in this video. To secure this bunny to this candlestick, I am using these sticky dots to secure it down to make sure that when we open and shut our refrigerator door, that it won't tumble over and break. This is just a quick view of some of the items that I have gathered to create this vignette, starting with all my greenery here. I have some white lilac here that I love decorating. I also have this mixed greenery bush that came from Walmart. I'm going to be using 2 white bunny rabbits, this wooden rabbit, and those wooden pieces over there are going to be used as a riser. This is the main area that we're going to be decorating today. And I am going to be creating a vignette on top of the refrigerator here. I'm also going to do some decor to the wall, and I might just switch out that curtain, that valance over there on the door. First, I'm going to start with the wall by adding this spring wreath. Next, I am going to be adding a small lantern in the center of this wreath. This is the next item that I'm going to be adding to the top of my refrigerator is this wooden bench that I purchased from Hobby Lobby for spring of this year. Next, I am adding this floral arrangement that I created from some of the florals that I showed you earlier. And I just added in this nice hydrangea right here. I just stole that from my Valentine's tree, and I added in this little watering can pick. And so we're going to go ahead and place this on top of the bench. Now I have added my floral arrangement on top of the bench. I did set it a little off center because I'm going to add a bunny rabbit on the side. This is the bunny rabbit that I'm going to be adding on the side of the floral arrangement. Now I'm going to add a second white rabbit to the bottom. So now I've added my Easter sign. So I'm going to add one more bunny to the back of the bench and the floral arrangement there. And it's the bunny that you saw me at the beginning of the video where I was tying the bow on top of the candlestick. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that now. So now I have added my final rabbit into this vignette. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to add some greenery at the base of this rabbit and kind of fill this in, and I will be right back. So stay tuned, you guys. So as you can see here, I have added in my greenery, and I also added in some florals at the base as well. I have my lilacs and some yellow flowers to coordinate with the floral arrangement and the wreath inside this vignette. So now we're going to move on, and I'm going to address this sign that is on the doorway here, and I'm also going to go ahead and switch out these red and white buffalo check valances. So let me take all this down. I'm going to clean everything, and I'll be right back. So now I have switched out my valances, and I'm using these black and white balloon style valances. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the sign above. Now I have added my sign, and I used this sign last year. I didn't see anything better in the stores this year, and this is cost effective, budget friendly decorating. It says Cottontail Confectionery, Easter bunnies, jelly beans, Kinder eggs, handmade daily. So I'm not quite finished with my door yet. This basket that you're looking at right now is a flat base basket, so to speak, and I'm gonna put that up there. I'm gonna use one of these removable hooks right here, and I'm just gonna clip it on just like that, and I'm gonna put that on the window pane to hold it up there. I purchased this from the Dollar Tree, and it was only $1.25, of course. So let's go ahead and put it up. Okay, so here's the basket. So now I'm just going to add some spring florals. Okay, you guys, I've added my florals to this basket. I kind of did it in a monochromatic design. I just used all white florals. I used some lilacs right here. I have a little hydrangea here, and all the rest of these are just hyacinths. So those are the floral combinations that I use. So I'm going to give you one final view for the entire look.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
If you're here and you would like to become a part of the Felicia by the Seasons family, just click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to you, but it will help promote my channel so that all those that haven't found Felicia by the Seasons yet will be able to enjoy this content as well. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.